When you get the result, that's the time you would see na parang, oh, ngayon, pinapansin nyo na ako. Dati ano ba ginagawa nyo? Ngayon, pare, ang galing ni ganito. Sino sa inyo nag-try na mag-upload ng video? Any video? Nag-try na ba? Dun sa mga gusto pala, nag-try ka na na. Alright. Nung nag-upload ka, ilan videos na-upload mo? Isa, dalawa, mga ganun lang, 2 to 3, and then you stop. Hindi naman. Kailan ka nag-start? Last year. Hindi siya consistent yung pag-ano. So, number one is consistency. That's no questions asked about. Consistency. It's a commitment. When you want to create a channel, when you want to create an audience, you have to deliver their expectation and their hunger to your content. That's number one. Next is, of course, si ma'am, sabi nga niya, hindi lang siya consistent. Bakit ka hindi consistent? Without you answering, I'll tell you why. People don't be consistent in posting videos because they lack patience. First video nila, 3 views. Second video, 100. Third video, 50. Fourth video, 60. Tapos pinagtawanan pa ng mga magulang at saka tropa. Buta pare, vlogger ka na. Anchi. Maano ka na eh. Di ba? May hiya ka na eh. Parang ayaw mo na. Tinutokso ka na eh. See, this is why people, when they start pala, they already fail. You haven't even started, you fail. What you can do is vlogging or content creation, or actually generally everything you do, you have to set numbers of content or projects that you have to put up. Okay? So I see it as a book. Okay? Ang book ko is 365 pages. Alright? 365 pages, I already made the first page, which is my first video. I won't judge my whole book for that one video. Whatever people say to me and tell me about that first page that I did, I will only judge my book once I complete the 365 pages. So post ka lang ng post. Walang ang pake. Yung lahat ng insulto sa akin dati, kasama ko na ngayon sa negosyo. Lahat na nagsabi kung ano-anong ginagawa mo, wala akong magawa. Then tell people how they met me. People don't want to see people starting. They only enjoy results. So you have to keep on going, neglect all the nonsense until you hit your result. When you get the result, that's the time you would see na parang, oh, ngayon, pinapansin nyo na ako. Dati ano ginagawa nyo? Ngayon, parang ang galing ni ganito. So that's it. I think that answers a lot of questions, not only yours. Thank you so much. Sige.